Hi everyone, I'm Miss Melissa, and today I will be showing you how to make oobleck. All you need is cornstarch, water, a bowl, and something to stir. Let's get started. First off, pour your cornstarch into a bowl. I recommend about 1/3 of a cup. Now, you're going to pour in the water, just the tiniest little bit at a time. And you're going to stir. And you're looking for a rough, kind of hard, thick consistency. We're already almost there. So make sure to get all the cornstarch. Now the cool thing about oobleck is that it moves like a liquid, but when you poke it, it's actually a solid. And it's really fun to play with. It's kind of gooey at the same time. If you keep stirring, then you can get more to play with. And the best part is the cleanup is really simple. So you can get rid of your oobleck, just pour a lot of water in at once and stir until it dissolves. That's oobleck. I hope you had fun and I'll see you next time.